Do you ever have the thought about quitting FPV drones? Maybe it has become too expensive or you're not flying as much as you want to. Recently, there have been a few videos on YouTube about quitting FPV drones as a hobby. And while there are many different reasons to quit, I want to tell you, don't do that, don't quit. Often when people crash expensive drones or have little time to go out and fly, they start selling their goggles and radios and chargers and sometimes their extra drones and so on. In this video I am going to crash the drone in just a minute, and it turned out to be quite more expensive than I first thought. It was a Vista broken, the frame was broken, the receiver was broken. But just after I took out my second drone and started flying again, and while it was a little bit nerve-wracking and being afraid to crash, I still kept going because I wanted to improve and I wanted to be better, and I'm having so much fun flying drones. So my recommendation to you is go out there and fly some more. If you're thinking about quitting, don't. There might come a time again where you got a lot more time to fly, to go out. Maybe it's just right now, maybe you're stressed at work, or maybe you just don't have a lot of time. But I'm telling you, you might have time again, so go out and get flying. Now if I can get you to click that like and that subscribe button, I'd be very thankful. Now enjoy the edit of another video I made from this day. Let's get out there and get flying.